Hey guys. Today we're gonna be playing Jigsaw Puzzle. Let's get started. For real. What? Okay. Now you. What's my favorite game to play? Jigsaw puzzles. Wrong. It's spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti and meatballs. Hey. And you. What's my favorite game to play? Play and guns. Knife and guns. I don't play with knives and guns. I play with lasers. Now, what's my favorite game to play? We play Spot the Ball. There's no such thing. You are stupid too. Now, who wants a big punch? Uh, uh, big punch. Now, who wants to be buried alive? Definitely not me. Now, what's my favorite game to play with? Buried alive. Correct. What else? How many people do I bury alive? How many people are dead on the ground? 700 million. Wrong. It's 30. Now it's 31. How many did I bury? 31. Correct. How many did I kill first? 1. Correct. How many did I play with? 31. Correct. How many weapons did I play with? All weapons. Correct. Correct. Now, who wants to get hit with the shovel? We gotta take one of these guys out. Me. You said bury, so we bury. Now you. You want a piece of me? No, I don't. Yeah, you do. No. You want a piece of me too? No, that was a joke. Oh. Now, we ain't joking around. I can't stop joking around. Yeah, you're such a joker. Take this. Oh! And I'll hit you for laughing. And I'll hit you for trying to shoot me. And I'll hit you with the baseball bat for trying to also shoot me. And I'll hit you with the machete. Yeah. For trying to. Uh, be a bitch. Yeah. How about a nice pickaxe? Hammer time. Hiya. Hiya. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. And more jigsaws. Uh, yeah. 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 Hiya. Yeah. Yeah. Cut you open. Now. Hold on a second. This is for laughing. Time to chainsaw you in half. Ha! No! Ah! Ah! How about this chainsaw? No, please! Ah! Ah! Oh! Pew, pew, pew. No! Ah! Heh. Now you're gonna die too. Alright. What's my favorite? What's my favorite game to play? Jigsaw. Correct. What else? Chainsaw. Correct. What else? Play blood. No. Blood is water. It's water. It's just stupid. Water. 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 It's water. It's water. Uh, it's water. Uh, okay, that's it. I need Sledgehammer. Alright, what's my favorite game to play? Sledgehammer. Yes. But you're wrong. Wrong again. Wrong again. Wrong again. Look at all the bodies. They're everywhere. I basically killed everybody with the chainsaw. If you guys like this video, subscribe. Peace out, guys. And we'll make a part 2. Bye.